Hello there, it's Thursday. I just got back from the Old Farts lunch. Old Farts, P-H-A-R-T-Z. Bunch of old British bikers, we sit around and solve the world's problems. I have this BSA up on the lift. I've just now put it here. And I have a list of minor things that the client once looked at. And a little hot right now. It's going to be about 110, 12, 13 here today in Phoenix. So even with the cooler going, I don't work late afternoons until it cools off a little bit. So early morning, yes. Late evening, yes. Middle of afternoon, I don't think so. Anyway, it is a pretty BSA. It's absolutely lovely. And I'll do a walk around. He has the the side cover he's going to bring over for the right hand side. And that is so pretty. I brought along the chain guard. I'll install that. I will probably suggest a sealed gel cell battery to replace this. Even if it's still good, even if it still has a charge, I still will recommend changing that. I'm going to put on different gas lines because I think black ones are ugly. And you know me, I was clear on. There is some stuff inside this filter that he talked about, and may do a rinse on the inside of the tank. He actually asked about getting the tank lined. That's probably for future. Right now we'll just try to clean it. Anyway, pretty bike, just lovely. I think he did all the work himself, and a lot of neat 12-point base nuts, chrome engine mounts, chrome engine half cases nuts there, and bolts. A lot of bling, so kind of nice. I'm going to enjoy working on this, I do believe. Everything else sits over here. My bikes are sleeping. I'm going to put a cover over them because they're getting a little dusty. The green goddess sitteth right here. We'll get her back up on the lift shortly. The yellow bike is sitting here because the speedometer will not show speed, even when I spin the electronic cable. So the client has ordered a new electronic cable. This cable isn't a cable. It's some sort of electronic sensor. And when I spin it with my drill, I do not get any speed indication on the speedometer, which is a shame. The 441 is a sad case. I got the new brakes in there wrong. Apparently something in the book, right brakes, wrong part number. So anyway, I ordered another set with a different part number. They should be here probably, first of next week. So anyway, that's the status of the shop. And I'm not going to work much more today because it's just too warm, even with the cooler. And I'll pick this up tomorrow.